Hello, welcome to Rushta's Food Corner. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So today I am going to show you how you can make bakery style burger buns at home. So the ingredients that we need are all purpose flour 250 grams, that is equal to 2 standard size cups. I'll show you the cup size. This is the cup size that you can use. 15 grams oil, that is 2 tablespoons. 5 grams yeast, that is 1 tablespoon almost. 15 grams of sugar, that is 2 tablespoons. 3 grams salt, that is 2 pinch. And 3 grams acar powder, that is 2 pinch. It is easily available in market. We need 1 cup of water also, almost 1 cup of water to knead the dough. Now first of all, mix all the dry ingredients in the all-purpose flour, yeast, sugar, salt and acar powder, and mix them well with your hands or with spoon, whatever is available with you. Mix it like that. After mixing these things, add oil in it also. Mix oil in all-purpose flour very well so that it incorporate with other things completely. Oil is perfectly incorporated. Now add water in it. Don't add water all at once. Add it gradually and start kneading the dough with your hands. Side by side, add water in it and start mixing it with other things like this. Your dough shouldn't be hard, it should be soft, because if it becomes hard, the buns will also become hard after they are baked. Put water in it and make a soft dough. Now you can see that the dough is becoming incorporated and it has become soft. Now grease your working place with oil and start kneading the dough. At first it will become sticky, but don't worry, you keep on kneading it. After some time it will not stick to the shelf. Knead it for 5 to 7 minutes with your hands like this. I have kneaded the dough for 5 to 7 minutes and it has become super soft. Now take a bowl and grease it with oil and put the dough in it and leave it to rise for 1 hour in summer, and if it's winter, leave it for 2 hours. It should get double in size. Make a round bowl, put it in the bowl and cover it with some lid or with some thick cloth. Put it in a warm place. Our dough has become double in size. As you can see this, it should be like that. Now sprinkle some all-purpose flour on your working place and take your dough out of the bowl and put it on it and start rolling it like this. If you feel that it's sticky, you can use all-purpose flour so that it does not stick to your hands. Roll it like this. Get a shape like this. Now it's time to make small round balls of it. Make a ball of 60 to 65 grams. Don't make very big balls because they will become more big after baking, because it rises while baking. Make small balls like this. Get them shaped. This is the perfect shape. I have made all the buns. Look at them. They are looking so beautiful. Take another tray and buns to bake on stove and leave them from 15 to 20 minutes to rise more. My buns have risen perfectly. Now take an egg and some white sesame seeds. Now start coating the buns. Don't coat the buns with brush. Do this with some cloth, or you can also use a tissue paper. It will not decrease the volume of the buns. Put egg on it like this with a piece of cloth. It's perfect. Do it like this and coat all the buns. I have coated all the buns with eggs. Now sprinkle white sesame seeds on it. Like this. Sprinkle on all the buns. Like I am doing. Now this is the final look of the buns before baking. I have coated stove buns also. Now take a cooking pot, add some salt in it and preheat it on low to medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Now put a stand in it. If you don't have a stand, you can also put a plate in it like this. After preheating it, put the tray in it and cover it with the lid. Keep checking it after 10 minutes. Check the condition of burger buns right after each 10 minutes. It will take 25 to 30 minutes to bake the buns on stove. Bake them in oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 200 degrees. Our buns are perfectly baked. Grease them with oil right after taking them out of the oven. Otherwise they will get hard. Now look at these buns. They are perfectly awesome. Our stove buns are also ready. Look at their color. They are perfectly made. My buns are perfectly baked. And look at their softness. They are super soft. Now I will cut them with a knife and show you from inside. Cut them like this. And look at them. They are super soft from inside too. Awesome. So try to bake buns at home and tell me in comment box whether you like the recipe. Do give me your feedback on these buns. And thanks for watching my video. Tata, bye bye.